Hey, Susan Berkley here. This is the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. I got a question for you this week. Are you working for Starbucks money, or are you in this to make some serious cash and hopefully become a regular source of income for yourself? Maybe replace your day job or provide you with a nice cushion in retirement, as I know a lot of our students want to do. So let's talk about this for a second. Yes, there are gig economy websites like Fiverr or like Upwork where you can go and list your voiceover services. And the problem is you're going to be in there with all kinds of people that are going to do this work for, say, 25 bucks, 50 bucks. There's a ton of competition. But the likelihood of you getting work is pretty good because a lot of people go there. They don't want to, it's just a commodity for them. They just want to pay. They have the lowest possible price. They don't necessarily value you for your skill. So that's one route to go, and I call that the Starbucks money route. And it's perfectly fine. No judgment if you do that. However, there's another side of voiceover where you can really make serious money. And that means you want to try to treat this as a real business, where you develop leads and prospects and eventually customers who will hire you again and again and again. And that's where you work with the companies themselves. You are not even anywhere near those gig economy websites, but you're forming real relationships with people that you might meet through your past career, people that you network with at business events, people that you find online, and you nurture those contacts, you learn about those contacts, and you focus in niche marketplaces. That's what I did in my voiceover career, and I have made 7 figures and more over the years, the 30-year course of my career. And of course, that's what I teach my students in our Mike to Money voiceover marketing training. So the choice is yours. Are you a Starbucks talent, or are you in it for the lifetime value? That's my message this week. I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.